Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure Airpods and the case have charge and the case is open so they enter pairing mode. This creates the discoverable signal Windows needs. On your PC, open Settings, choose Bluetooth and Devices, and click Add Device, then Bluetooth. Once you click Add, Windows scans, so hold the Airpods case button until the LED flashes. You do this because discoverability is transient. Acting now prevents timeouts and speeds pairing. Once paired, choose Airpods as your output device in Quick Settings or Settings Sound. Make sure you also set them as the default device in the classic sound control panel under Playback, and if you use the mic, under Recording. Then grant microphone access in Privacy Settings so apps can use it. You should check the hands-free versus stereo options. Stereo gives better music quality. Hands-free enables mic but lowers audio fidelity. Choose based on whether you need the microphone or prefer music quality. You finish by testing audio playback and speaking into the mic. Use the voice recorder app to confirm input levels. If audio doesn't switch, toggle Bluetooth or restart Windows to clear transient faults. Make sure Quick Settings shows Airpods as the active device and adjust app-specific audio outputs. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting step is to reset the Airpods. Put them in the case. Hold the setup button about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white, then repair from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.